Alright, hello, PinballReviewer here, and got a quick unpackaging here. Alright, and the first thing is a solder sucker. It's a ferroalloy. So yeah, I got this because I don't know where my main one is, so yeah. So yeah, I've got another solder sucker. And this one looks like it might be nicer than the one that I had, so I might use this as the main. Alright, and one more. And there we got LED candles, but what kind? So yeah, basically the only thing on the box says LED candles, and then it has that there. It does kind of give it away, sort of, I guess. I don't know. Battery operated LED candles with 6H timer. 6-hour timer thing. Ooh, it's well packed, that's for sure. I think I'm gonna get the knife. Alright, got the knife here. Gonna cut at least one of the sides here. Alright, there we go. Alright, so these are fake candles here. Ooh. And they might be fake LED lights, candles, but they do have, it is real wax, because it's got that waxy feel in it, and I can actually scrape this, but I'm not going to. But yeah, here it is. And yeah, they need 3 AAA batteries. Which I think we have enough, but I'm not sure actually. And here's, these are, all 3 of these are different. They all take 3 AAA batteries. So yeah, they're Halloween candles. I thought they came with a remote, but I guess not, because none of these have anything inside except for the light, of course. I could have sworn there was a remote for these. I guess not. But yeah, I don't know if I'm going to keep the styrofoam in the box or what, because I might leave these out all year round and stuff, but we'll see. So it is actually October now. October. Do 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 do. I guess I'll get this out, even though you pretty much know what the heck it is. Yeah, it certainly has a strong spring on it. Of course, it is brand new, and this you can open up to get the solder out and stuff, because eventually it does fill up. But yeah, I guess that's it for this unboxing and stuff. So if you like the video, go thumbs it up or not, and hit the subscribe button if you like my content, and also hit that bell icon if you want updates when I upload videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.